All right, so today we're going to go over on how to marry a wing. So the first thing you do is grab your bobbin and just select the slip of material that you're going to be taking off the feather. Once you've selected it, you go ahead and separate that, and then you can just clip that free. Next, I'm going to use a white feather, and I'm using the left or the right side of a feather. So here I will select out the white just like I did the red and clip that free as well. And there. So now all we're going to do is we're just going to marry the outside of the feather to the inside of the feather once I can pick it up. There we go. So get the two feathers, get them lined up the way you want them, pinch them together, make sure outside is outside, inside is inside. Just manipulate them with your other hand, and there you go. A married feather. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you around the vise.